How to remove profile picture on TikTok. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can remove profile picture on TikTok. For this, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Once you get here, you want to tap on the edit option. Now tap on change photo. Here, as you can see, there's no option of remove profile picture, so you have the option of take photo or upload photo. Select the first one, take photo. Now you simply want to take a blank picture, then go ahead and save and share this post. Now if you do not want the black screen, then you can head over to any web browser and then search for some anonymous profile pictures over here. Once you have found the one that you prefer, you can simply download it from here. After it has been downloaded, you want to head back over to TikTok, then select upload photo. Now upload the photo that you just downloaded over here. Tap on next and follow the on-screen prompts. In this way, you can successfully use this workaround to remove your profile picture on TikTok. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.